Jopur niang mawuok Muhoroni, Miwani kod Chemelil koro kwedo paro mar piny owacho mar dwaro riwo kambi mar Chemelil kod Muhoroni e chenro mar chiero kembego eko. Jopur wacho ni giyie mondo piny owacho kel joket mwandu mondo chier kembego, to kata kamano onyiewgi giwegi ma ok ni riwogi. Jopurgo nochiwo pachgi e mbele komiti mar pur mar yor chiwo pachgi e wi chenro mag piny owacho mar neno ni kembe sirkal ochako tich kendo. Jood burago to kata kamano ne onyiso jopur ni giriw lwedo paro mar piny owacho mondo us kembego eko.
You want to merge Chemelil and Muhoroni. That has to be addressed. Where are these farmers going to go? Because that's their livelihood. Chemelil the same, Miwani the same. There has been in court, out court, in court, out court because of ownership problem.
Government doing business and running factories is no longer viable. Whether you go to heaven or hell, it is no longer viable. I want to tell you, my brothers. Where is the sugar? Where is the pan pepper mills? Where is even Sunset Hotel that was owned by government? Where is the African Tours hotels that were all over here? Where are the many things that, where are the, what is called the cotton industries? Government can no longer be able to do business and run those factories.
We must let the private sector drive business in this country. We must leave government to make regulations, and not just regulations to stifle growth, regulations which are light touch to make sure that there is efficiency in the field.
Sirkal County